Yeah, we're here at Bridgetown. Ayan, sa Pasig lang po ito. Meron silang park for kids. Tapos yung mga adults, pwede naman mag-jogging, mag-walking. At marami pong tinatayong condo rito. At saka ngayon pala, may food bazaar sila. So, ayun yung food bazaar. Ayan. Your toy car, don't leave it far. Get mo yun.
Let's play others.
Doon, sa tabi mo. Yan, okay. Excuse me. Ay, meron si Kuya pagbaba ni Kuya. Ikaw naman. Ikaw, Cheska, you want? It's just balancing. Oh.
How's that? Was that fun?
Help me.
Oh.
Huli ako, Cheska.
One by one, wag mong tutulakan. One by one lang.
You want to try again? Want to try again?
Sige, don't.
Oh, you said checks off.
No, I can't.
You say here's 7 happy.
Okay. Kasi yung camera ko eh.